Welcome to Tai Chi for Ehlers-Danlos Syndrome. This routine will help you safely improve balance, reduce tension, and bring a sense of calm. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front. Gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Taking your time, feeling the sensations, feeling the flow. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front, just to about shoulder height. Then the arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in as you rise up. Breathing out as you let go. Opening the door. Starting out onto the path. Starting the journey. Just breathing in and breathing out one more time, open the door. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, and then floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. This time, if you like, you can do a side bend, always easing in, never forcing it. One more time, connecting sky and earth. This time the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Nice and easy, gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail, making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They float across the eye level, then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, and across the heart, and then a little bit lower, and then release. Round out as if you're hugging a big tree. Bring it right out in front. Then the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops in front, the other one scoops behind as you gently rotate. And then coming back to center, the arms float out to the sides, and then switching sides, this hand in front, the other one behind, clearing the field. Clearing out all that old stuck energy, making room for the new. Switching sides again. All right, one more time, clearing the field. This time the arms float out to the sides, this hand in front, the other one goes behind and then stays behind. The front hand comes all the way up and over, making a big circle, and then all the way around again. The Zen circles. Breathing in, breathing out, sinking down slightly and then rising up. Opening the shoulder. One more time. And then this time, reverse direction with the arm. Both arms float out to the sides. And then this hand in front, the other one behind. Right by the lower back. The front hand comes up and over, all the way around and down. It's like you're scooping into the water, then letting it fall over the body, letting it wash the body. Breathing in, breathing out, and just coming up as much as you can comfortably. Just letting go of striving. One more time. The Zen circles. And then reverse direction with the arm. Both arms float out to the sides. And then the arms float down by the sides. Circle in front, hug the tree, and soften. And then shift all your weight over to one side. Draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. Step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Draw the hands back in as you shift back, and then push forwards, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out, or taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, pushing the mountain. And then this time, the palms face up. The hands come all the way in, scooping all the way around, and then back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Floating down, coming all the way around and back up top, crossing the wrists. And then down, one more time, the princess on the mountaintop. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And then draw the hands into the heart, shift the weight as you step in, and then step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. Taking your time, no rush, nowhere to go. Just being here now. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time the palms face up and they cross. The arms float down, circling out and around, and then back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in, open, and breathing out. Circling it around. Once again, just coming up as much as you can comfortably. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and so here the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. And then step out to the corner. As you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. The other hand pushes down. And then circle it around again. This time, moving from your center. Tossing the moon. Breathing in. Breathing out, parting the wild horse's mane. One more time. This time, the bottom hand comes up, both palms face up. The hands come all the way in, circling all the way around, making two loose fists, coming back up top. The fists face each other, and the palms face up, drawing in, boxing both ears. Two loose fists as they come back up top. Breathing in, and breathing out. One more time, boxing both ears. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open. Then this hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the other corner. Bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. The other hand pushes down, circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. Creating tranquility out of chaos. Breathing in and breathing out. One more time. The calm within the storm. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, both palms face up, the hands draw in, making two loose fists. They circle out and around and then back up top. Boxing both ears. Breathing in. Breathing out. Shifting the weight. Feeling the sensations. Bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, boxing both ears. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. And from here, the arms open up wide. And then this hand here scoops under, the other one on top, making two loose fists. One fist overhead, the other by the waist, and then switching sides. Two loose fists. You can even look over to the side if you like. The tiger hugs its head. shifting the weight over to the side, going up once again. All right, this time you can lift your leg if you like. So you can always keep the toe down, maybe just testing it out at first. Other side. If it feels okay, you can maybe lift a little higher, or you can keep the toe down. Breathing in and breathing out. It might be different side to side too. That's okay. All right, one more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then from here, both arms drift all the way over to the side and down, and then just drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice gentle sway. Breathing, just letting out any tension, any stress. And then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. All right, this time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, other hand in front of the heart. Playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, hands come out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. All right, one more time, play the pipa. Step in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, then the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above, harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. And just coming down as much as you can comfortably, rising up. One more time, harmonizing yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hug the tree, and then step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open wide, the hands float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side. Breathe in as the hand floats up. Breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And then circle the hands in front, as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart, and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.